Hag Shuvuot, Festival of First Fruits. This is a supplemental reading piece found in the back of Music Makers at the Keyboard, Book 6, and it's found on page 40. This piece is in D minor. D, la, 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 so, la, so, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, so, la, so, la, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, mi, re, mi, do, ti, do, re, mi, la, mi, re, mi, do, ti, do, re, do, ti, la, mi, la, mi, la, mi, la, mi, la, mi. What is that note? Remember what it is? What's below la is so. Si, mi. With the sharp, it turns the so into si. La, mi, si, mi, si, mi. Notice he, and it's again si because the sharp is good for the entire measure. La, mi,